This is what interior design told you 5 years ago. Spring 2026 completely disagrees. The shifts are happening at every scale in every single room. Here's the 5 mistakes that are keeping your home stuck in 2023. The design world has made a definite collective pivot away from clinical minimalism towards what forecasters are calling tactile emotionalism. The philosophy that your home should soothe your nervous system and not perform for a camera. Your home is more than a visual showroom. It's a sanctuary to calm your nervous system and improve your life. And these 5 mistakes are costing you that feeling. So let's find out. We start with number 1, the color problem. You're still painting your walls gray. Millennial gray reads as cold, clinical, and flat under modern LED lighting. It creates shadows, not warmth. In 2026, the replacement is mushroom neutral, a complex earthy tone sitting between beige and gray. It breathes warmth into a room the moment natural light hits it. Take it further with color drenching, painting your walls, ceiling, trims, and door in one single enveloping hue. It makes the space feel larger and infinitely more cohesive. Mistake number 2 is the hardware problem. Matte black everything. Flat matte black is the gray of hardware. It was everywhere. Now is reading as harsh, one-dimensional, and completely devoid of character. In 2026, the answer is unlacquered brass, hammered bronze, brushed copper, metals that develop natural patina over time. They age with your home. They have depth. They have memory. They have history. This is what 2026 hardware looks like. Not a finish, a relationship. The mistake number 3, the geometry problem. Your furniture still has right angles. Sharp geometry reads as aggressive in a space designed for rest. Right angles create tension, not comfort. The soft modern movement has replaced hard corners with clipped edges, rounded forms, and organic silhouettes. Curves invite circulation, they soften the eye, they tell the body that it's safe to relax. And go low. The 1970s scene in Lasque, with low-profile sofas, modular pit arrangements, white chases, is back in full force. When furniture drops, sidelines open and the room breathes. Mistake number 4, the white subway tile. The white subway tile bathroom is the design equivalent of giving up. It's been reproduced so aggressively that it has lost all of its identity. It says nothing about the space or the person behind designing it. Moroccan Zellige is the 2026 answer. Genuine, handmade, hand-baked tiles with an even glaze and a subtle tonal variation that turns every wall into a work of art. No two tiles are identical, and that's the point. Or go bolder. Fluted tiles for tactile dimension, checkered board for playful nostalgia, a deep navy or forest green niche for saturated drama, anything but flat white. Mistake number 5, the textile problem. Your textiles have no texture. In a world full of frictionless touch screens, polished plastics, your home's surfaces need to push back. Flat synthetic fabric is a sensory dead end. It provides zero reassurance. Replace it with something more textile, like boucle. Deeply loop the wool with visual drag and warmth. Layer heavy linen towel throats. Add fringe cushions, woven canning, and rattan. In 2026, texture is a proxy for authenticity. So the more physical drag there is in the room, the more your nervous system will relax. This is what 2026 comfort should look like. You should be able to feel it from the photograph. And that's all 5. The summary is simple. Millennial gray out, mushroom neutrals in, matte black out, unlacquered brass in, right angles out, soft curves in, white subway towels out, Zellige in, flat synthetics out, and boucle and heavy linen in. The spring 2026 home is not designed to be photographed, it's designed to be felt. Every material, color, curve is chosen to tell your nervous system that it's safe here, that you are home. Which mistake are you fixing first? Drop it in the comments and I will leave my references below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.